this is my second video for July 13th, 2020. It is a Monday. And I was cleaning the house, and I couldn't do very much of it because my back would hurt, because I'm carrying this. It's like I'm pregnant or something. I have a belly like this, and there's my back, and I have a belly like this. So I'm carrying probably 150 to 175 to 200 pounds on my upper body. And I was sweeping, and I swept 2 rooms. And I thought, I want to finish this cleaning today. I want to finish cleaning my apartment today. And I thought that I couldn't. And I said, I leave it in your hands, God. You know, I didn't say that exactly, but I said, you know, if you want to, you can make my back, make me not be in pain, so I can finish cleaning the toilet, the sink, and the tub. Because I don't have a woman around here. A woman would often do that. That might sound sexist, but women tend to clean more than men. There are reversals where the men will want it clean, and the woman doesn't care. I know somebody specifically like that. She just doesn't care how clean her house is. It can go for 2 months, 6 months, and she doesn't do anything. And I used to be like that, but here I'm required to clean, and I want to clean anyway. I want the house clean. So I prayed, and I said, would you let me finish the toilet? Because I got to get down, I got to bend over to the toilet. And would you let me do the tub? Because I got to bend over to the tub. And would you let me do the sink and finish cleaning the house? And God healed the pain in my back. Once again, I can say these things. I know people won't believe me. But imagine if you weighed what I weigh, which is about 260, and you were trying to bend over to do housework. I mean, some of you don't have to imagine, probably. But you know, it was hard. I was sweeping, and it was hurt. I was sweeping 2 rooms, the bathroom and my bedroom, and it was hurting my back. I sat down. I needed to take a rest after sweeping the bathroom and the bedroom. I had to take a mat off the floor too in the bedroom. And God healed the pain in my back. So that was great. Thank you for listening.